Hi guys, it's Shami. So today we are going to make these sweet little gift tags, or you can use them in your planner, all sorts of different ideas. They're really simple to make and I want to share them with you. So I saw a similar idea on Pinterest and they're so cute. Mine are a little different, of course, as always, but they're going to be super fun to make. So what you're going to get is a piece of craft cardstock, or craft paper is fine too. And you're just going to cut them as big as you want. I made mine about 3 inches, but you could do 1.5 inches. That would work very, very well too. This is my nifty little paper cutter that I got as a gift, so about that big. Then I like to make them about 3 inches long. So let me see here, which was a very generous gift that I absolutely appreciate. So we can do like 3 inches. And you can make them as skinny or as thick as you want. These are actually a little bit skinnier, and these are like 2 inches. So you can do kind of whatever you want. But these I'm going to make just a little bit bigger. And you're going to have a little extra that you can also use. I'll totally use this. And you can put these on your products. There's a ton of things that you can do with them. I'm going to make a thinner one just to show you that you can also make them thinner. So maybe we'll make this about 1.5 inches, maybe. Yeah. So these will be thinner, which is good. And we could even make these a little smaller, so we can make them 2 inches. A little bit smaller. And you could hang these off of things that you sell. You could just do a ton of different things with them. You could put them on cards and stamp like little greetings on them. So there's a lot that you can do. I love using things that I can double and just have a little ephemera that I kind of made myself instead of buying. It's so fun to use kind of stuff that you have in your stash. So then you're going to need some washi tape, which I'm sure we have a ton of. So I'm going to use these guys. You could also just use strips of scrap paper, or jelly prints would be really cool. And then you're just going to take it, and I just kind of start at the top of it and just go around like that. You kind of do want it a little bit further over because we are going to put an eyelet in it. And the eyelet is just so you can put the string through. If you did not have that, you could do like a, you call that, just a hole punch would be fine. That would work well too. But I do want to hang these off of something like bags or products, or on a card or something like that. So that's why I'm making it just a little bit different. I'm just going to kind of, if you're worried about the washi tape coming off, then use a little bit of glue stick just to keep it together. But they look like that. They're very sweet. I love craft paper. I think it's a really cool kind of thing. This is tape that I ordered from Wish, I think. There's not very much on there, but it has a really cool kind of pattern. So use that. I think it was like super cheap. Like really cheap because it's from, I forgot where it was from. Maybe from Hong Kong or something like that. It took forever to get here though, but it does work very, very well. Just kind of go. And then on the back, I just like to make sure that it's lined up a little bit. This is much stickier than the other one, which is the one that I got from the dollar store. So just take it and trim it a little bit. Very good. And that way it's just kind of lined up. So as you can see, these come together super duper duper quick. Okay, and then you're just going to take your big bite or your hole punch, whatever you have, and we're just going to put an eyelet in. I thought that I had really small, delicate eyelets, but of course I don't. So I did end up having to use like bigger ones that I had in my stash. So what can you do? So we're just going to put it in. I'm going to make a hole basically first, and then I will select my eyelets. And I don't care if these are even. Like it's okay if it's a little high or a little low or a little down here. It doesn't really matter to me, but you could absolutely measure and do all that stuff. But you guys know what kind of creator I am. Or at least you should know by now. Okay, let's see here. And I do have some eyelets. Here we go. So just select one that you like. Maybe this one would be pretty. And I just kind of match colors a little bit. I think the flower would be cute. I'm going to push this up and do the eyelid setter. Stick it on there and give it a push. And then the eyelid's set. And it's really cute and sweet and really fun. Just a cute little thing. Let's do one more. We'll do this pretty polka dot one. So I'm using the biggest eyelet because my eyelets are so big, but I wish I had smaller ones, but I don't. Eyelets are kind of hard to come by in Colorado. And these I got like in a second hand like reuse store. So use what you got. Like that. And we can select one that we want. So there's lots of greens and yellows and all sorts of different colors. So we could do a yellow. I think that's pretty. Set that up. Stick it on there. Oops. It's going to go bananas there. So I hope you guys are having a good day. My day is going to be kind of busy. Which is good. So we'll do that and that. The kids that I teach religious education to are doing their first communion. So it's very exciting. I'm so excited for them. So I'm nervous for them, but they're going to do fine. It's going to be great. And then I just take these dollar store stickers. They're very cute. And I just stick them on there for something a little bit sweet. Awesome. Like I said, you could do stamps. You could kind of do whatever you want. You could do it high or low or however you like. Just like that. You can even do like the Tim Holtz stickers. I don't have any of like with just one word though. I still don't think I do. Maybe I do actually. With just one word, like inspire or something like that. You could stick that on there. Just kind of go through. So kind of like adore. Maybe admire or smitten. That's a good one. Or thoughtful might be good. Dream is always a good one. I like the word dream. Okay, maybe we'll do that one. We'll do it in white, but you could do it in black. Whatever you want. These are your little tags. So these are just some sweet little tags that you can do so many fun projects with that will just bring a little bit of happiness to your life. Maybe happy day or sweet love. We could do that. And you could send these in a package with your friends or attach them on products that you sell. And they're just little sweet little tags that you can do so much with. You could put them in your planner. You could put them on cards. Like I think it'd be totally cute to put it on the front of like a card. Maybe with some twine that you tie like in a flower. And it's just a sweet little tag that says something nice on it. So I love cards. I always find uses to put my embellishments on cards, but there's a lot that you can do with them. So hopefully this gave you guys ideas. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will have a new video for you on Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.